we're here in the beautiful park in the St. Charles area. We've got barbecues, get-togethers, whatever's going on over there. But we're here to look at more of the natural things today. I think I've just spotted my first interview of the day. Follow me. We can see first assessment, homeless, alcohol in hand, passed out. Sir. 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 Oh, ma'am. Ma'am.
Oh, the fuck?
We're just in the park today getting to know the park goers.
Where the fuck am I? Man, last night must have been wild, right? Yeah.
Were you at a party here, or is this where you reside?
Yeah, I don't know where the fuck I am right now, but I was at a party with my friend Vino last night. My name's Chuck.
Chuck.
Yeah.
All right, Chuck.
Fuck you guys. It's all
It's
this
okay.
shit.
It's just a little film. We're doing a nature documentary. We're in the park. We're just getting to know everything that's going on.
Oh man, fucking dope. Yeah.
So, do you live here?
What do you mean, like in this city? Yeah.
We can obviously see Chuck here is in denial. We'll have to get further information. So, how'd you get here in the park today?
I don't know, man. Like, I was kind of like wandering around after I got a little drunk. Like, I drove somewhere, and I think it was maybe here, probably. Don't remember. I was on a lot of drugs, and my friend was like, "Hey, like, I got some beer in the trunk, you know," and I'm like, "Fuck yeah!" And then like we kind of wandered around with the beer and shit. Oh, where the fuck is my car at, man?
So, wait, you usually live out of your car, or is your car in the park here today?
No.
Like, you came here?
No, like I don't live. I'm not homeless, dude. Like, I just fucking drove here because like we were drunk and shit. Like, I don't live in this.
Oh, what kind of car do you have?
I don't know, like a red-ish one.
Just a red car.
Yeah.
It's got 4 wheels.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, you know the one, yeah.
So-
That's the car, yeah.
You woke up here this morning? So
You know what? Actually, I should probably go look for my fucking car. Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah.
Oh, all right.
God, where the fuck is it? Where am I? Oh fuck! I think I found my car. Yeah, this is right here. Actually.
That has 4 wheels, but that's not a red
No,
car.
This is it. I know it is.
You said you had a red one.
I think I left it unlocked. I don't got the keys. Oh shit, man. Oh man, this must be Vito's car. Oh man, I don't know whose fucking car is it.
You gotta get out of here. That's not.